Oh, here we got a 2011 Kia Sorento. And we got a radiator. Turns out they got into an accident in the front. They're not replacing the condenser, just the radiator, just to get it going. So we're gonna get it going now. Not really sure what size engine it is. We're gonna get started on this, get it going for the person. All right, let's get started. All right, let's take a look over. Let's see here. Definitely the condenser got pushed in a little bit. We're still not replacing the condenser, but I'm gonna have definitely radiators, definitely bent. I'm gonna try to bend back. Probably impossible to, but I'm gonna try to bend the condenser just a little bit. Not much, but just a little bit. All right, let's get going. Know if this one came with a new cap. I'm gonna take that one, take the old one, put it on the new one. A couple pieces I gotta take off and put on a new one. Just keep that in mind. Okay. It's about the same. Yep. It's installed. Had to bend the condenser a little bit. We're not replacing that. Not really sure with condenser if it's bent up or if it still works. It might even still work even after it's been bent. So keep that in mind. All right, let's install. As you see, it got like a little kind of bent right there. It's gonna be all right for now. Let's install this new one. Got most of the hoses already hooked up. Hook up that one. A little small one right there. This one. That one. The upper radiator hose. Lower hoses. These are pretty simple. Just slide off.